Hey folks, this is Grey here, and I got an idea, and this involves you. So here's my idea, folks. So on Monday nights, a lot of you folks know that myself and Rudy, we do these live streams either on his channel or my channel on Monday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Usually what we do is I have a list of topics that I'll engage with Rudy, and we kind of go banter back and forth in regards to these topics. Well, there's a lot of you folks in chat that are asking questions throughout these live streams that we seem to miss a lot of. And this came to me and I was like, I have a great idea to resolve this issue. So this is going to involve you guys. So have you ever had a question for myself or for Rudy, be it a political question, be it emergency preparedness question, be it gardening, canning, whatever it may be, whatever question that you would like to have answered, put that down in the comments. So what I'm going to do with these comments is, depending on how many they are, I'm going to print them out, and then I'm going to share these on the live stream. So what I'll do is, once I have them printed out, we do the live, and I will go through each individual comments. Now, if we don't get through all of them, I'll save them for the next live stream. And once a month, I'll do a video like this to get all your questions down in the comments so that we can share these during the live stream so that you can get your voice heard or your questions answered. I think this is a really good way to involve community involvement and just to kind of interact with you, the viewers themselves, because without you guys, there would be no us. Outside of that, some of you folks may have tuned in to Tuesday night's live stream with myself and Eric from Nutrient Survival, as they like to be called, the Wolf Pack. And we gave away a new thing that myself and Nutrient Survival teamed up with, which is the GreyMan food bucket. Now, what I want to just make you aware of, in case some of you folks that missed the live stream or didn't get notified, is that I'm going to be doing a video kind of going over the food bucket itself, what's inside of it, the new landing page, which is available now. If you want to, you can always click down in any of the newest videos moving forward and look for the Nutrient Survival link in the affiliate section of my description. Click on that. It'll take you to the new landing page where you can see my landing page, which is personalized for me specifically and the great community. And it kind of shows you what's inside the bucket, but I'm kind of going to break it down in that video. But in that video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. In that giveaway, I'm going to be giving away one of those buckets and a morale patch. If you haven't seen the morale patch yet, you'll get to see it in that video. I did show it off in the video from the live stream, but I wanted to give another person an opportunity to win one of these food buckets because I am very, very ecstatic with it. It's all my favorite offerings from Nutrient Survival in one bucket, and they packed a lot into it. Plus, the morale patch is just awesome, just from my perspective. I know it's me and it's my patch, but I just really like the work that they've done. And kudos to the folks over there that kind of put this together. All right. So that being said, moving on to the next thing is I just teamed up with a new company. I don't know how many of you folks out there like gear. And what I mean by gear is, you know, it could be knives, it could be radios, it could be flashlights, it could be water purification, it could be, you know, anything different that either revolves around emergency preparedness or is something that you would consider possibly a gift for someone else. But I teamed up with this company. I don't want to say it yet because I'm going to release the video most likely on Saturday if everything works out right, because sometimes life will get you busy. If you guys get a chance, take the time to watch that video and let me know your thoughts in regards to this, especially if you like gear or tools or, you know, the list goes on. Kind of get where I'm going with that. But I wanted to kind of let you guys know that. Last but not least, another thing I wanted to add is something that I really miss doing on the channel. Some of you folks that have been following me for roughly, let's say, I've been doing this for almost 3 years now. Somewhere around that time frame, is I used to take you guys along with me when I used to go on hikes. Well, I still do hikes, I just don't usually record them. But a lot of folks have told me in emails and said, hey Grey, whatever happened to you out in the woods doing these hikes, taking us along on your travels and kind of exploring with you? A lot of folks really like that. People like the nature, people like the scenery and stuff like that. Some folks that may live in a different state or a different country kind of like to see the scenery and the things that I'm exploring, either being if I'm using gear out there, if I'm just going on a hike and kind of just doing a walk and talk with you guys. I want to do that at least once or twice a month at least. I want to reincorporate that into the channel. I'm always out there. All I got to do is just bring a camera with me and a mic and we're good to go. So I figured I would reincorporate that into the channel. It's something that I like, that I do all the time as a tool for decompression and relaxation. And I figured I would take you guys along that. If you've ever seen one, let me know that down in the comments as well. I'll try to differentiate the comments and questions from this video so that I can print them out and make sure that I get the right questions to the live stream. But I always really like to hear you guys' feedback. All right, so I know talking heads can be very boring, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Those are just a few things that I wanted to address. And again, if you have any questions for myself or Rudy, no matter what the question may be it positive, negative, whatever, but you know, something that you've always wanted to ask that you may have not been able to get through on a live stream because we either miss it, and I don't want you to feel compelled that you have to do some sort of super chat or something like that to get your questions answered. So I feel by doing a format like this at least once a month where I can compile all your questions for the live streams, and then me and Rudy can answer them on the air when we do our Monday night streams. So I figure that gets more community involvement, and it'll be a lot of fun, and you get to voice, your voice gets to be heard in the Grey community. Other than that, folks, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Always appreciate the thumbs up and the love that you guys offer the Grey channel, or Grey community channel. Did I say that right? Hopefully. Anyways, I want to say, remember, folks, you are not alone. This is GreyMan. I'm out. I'll see you guys in the rebound. God bless each and every one of you. And again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video.